Have you ever thought, I have visited Rome? I have been to Venice. Florence is beautiful, but I just want to go somewhere else in Italy. Someplace less popular and explore a different side of the country. Or maybe you just want to visit a less touristy part of Italy to appreciate the culture more. Then this video is perfect for you. We will be talking about a magnificent Italian island which is located in the south of Italy, just off of Naples coast. It belongs to the Campanian archipelago in the Tyrrhenian Sea. Drumroll please! It is the island of Procida. Have you heard of it before? It is the smallest island of the archipelago. But don't let that deceive you into thinking it's not special. With narrow hilly streets, pastel-colored houses, clear blue waters, white sails and laundry hanging from nearly every balcony, Procida will amaze you with its beauty. It is also known for its fishing industry, since every restaurant you visit will most probably serve you fresh fish just out of the water, as well as classic Neapolitan pizza. So if this sounds like a place for you, we think it is perfect for everyone. Stick around and find out more about its history and all the reasons we recommend you to visit it today. Let's get into it. History. Unfortunately, the exact date of the creation of Procida is unknown. However, there is some proof that gives us a rough idea of when it was first inhabited. For example, we know that there have been ancient Greek items discovered on the island's territory that date back to the 15th century BC, as well as a Roman poet called Juvenal, who is thought to have been present in the 1st and 2nd centuries AD, mentioning the existence of Procida in his works. Therefore, we might calculate that Procida has existed for at least 35 centuries, if not longer. During its long history, you can imagine everything the island might have gone through. Procida as experience of being run by the Duke of Naples in the Middle Ages, later being a part of a feudal dominion, which was quite a common system in the Middle Ages. The island belonged to the Procida family and later was taken over by the Cosa family for the following 200 years. Then, in the 16th century, Procida belonged to the Avalos family. And finally, after having gone through the Napoleonic Wars, it became a part of the new Kingdom of Italy in the late 19th century. Since then, Procida has become more independent than ever. Their population has risen. They have become more stable economically and their tourism and marine industry have strengthened too. The name. You might be wondering, what does Procida mean? It must have an interesting backstory as everything in Italy is named after something, even pasta. So, yes, you're right. It is thought that Procida comes from a Latin word procita, which can mean either to pour out or to lie forth in ancient Greek. It is not known which of these are more relevant to the naming of this island, but we think it must be laying forth due to its location. But we will leave that for you to decide. As a tourist. Now let's move on to what Procida has to offer for travelers. There is an excellent viewpoint on this island which combines the clear water, blue skies, foggy mountains, and colorful houses all in one view. It's quite a hike though, so remember to stay hydrated and take it easy so you can fully enjoy the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of viewing the beautiful island from above. Apart from the breathtaking landscape, you can also visit Chiesa di Santa Margherita Nuova, which is a church built in the late 1600s. It has undergone many restorations due to its location as it has been damaged multiple times by the water, since the church stands just off the shore of the sea. However, today it is mainly used as a gallery for exhibitions, which will give you a better understanding of Italian culture. So we highly recommend sneaking a peek if you have time, as it is also free to enter. And for when you get hungry after you hike up to the viewpoint and exploration of the church, you can enjoy fresh fish at any restaurant that is only a couple of meters away from the shore. Authentic Italian food with a beautiful view. Yes, please. Procida on screen. While you're there, you might recognize some locations from the classic film Cleopatra starring Elizabeth Taylor, or even the 1999 film The Talented Mr. Ripley with Jude Law, Gwyneth Paltrow and Matt Damon. Why not recreate some of these iconic scenes when visiting the island? Italian Capital of Culture 2022. Considering all that was mentioned above, it should no longer surprise you to discover that Procida has been granted the name of the Italian Capital of Culture 2022, as it is the first time Procida has won this title. The community is extremely happy about being chosen among 9 other Italian cities. In the past years, the Capital of Culture has been given to places like Palermo, Pistoia, Mantua, as well as Matera, that actually won the European Culture of Capital in the year of 2019. We have another video about Matera coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled for another video guide for your travels. We hope we gave you a better understanding and an interesting insight to what the Italian Capital of Culture looks like. We highly recommend adding this tiny island to your bucket list, as it is a place you cannot and shouldn't miss. Let us know what your favorite part about Procida is and what you are looking forward to doing when visiting it. For more videos that could become your perfect travel buddies, make sure to check out our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.